welcome to my channel. Today I am going to unbox F-Gear backpack which I have ordered from Flipkart during its Big Billion Days sale. So I got it in very cheap. So let's look at the packet. It arrived very soon in just one day delivery. So look at the backpack. It's brand new condition. So let's remove the plastic wrap. So here it is, the bag. Wow, it looks so amazing. Look at the MRP, guys. All the zipper quality is very nice. The bag feels premium. The F-Gear have some contest which I will talk about later. So the front, it has two zippers. One is small, one is medium, which can be used specifically. In above it has two zippers. One is medium and another one is large. This is a large one. It has a laptop carrier also, and also a secret pouch. Here you can see this. Guys, the F-Gear has a contest to win a free gift. Just you have to review the product wherever you are buying this and send a screenshot to his website. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share, and don't forget to like. Thank you.